Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see who is stalking your TikTok account. So in here, I've already opened my TikTok, and if you are using TikTok, you can easily see who are stalking you or view your profile on TikTok. So first, you need to enable the feature, and here you can just go to your profile, then click on the three lines icon at the top and go to the settings and privacy. And in here, just scroll down, then click on this privacy and scroll down until you found the profile views option. So click on that, and you need to make sure that it is turned on like this. It looks blue, so you can see who view your profile in the past 30 days and allow others to see that you view theirs. So you'll be notified of profile views if the notification is turned on. Only you can see who view your profile. So you can also turn this off anytime. And to see who is viewing your profile, you can just go back, go to your profiles in here and click on this I don't know, like shoes icon at the top. And if you have any profile views, there will be on this list. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.